Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. It has really been a while, guys. It has been a while. I'm so sorry for not being consistent on my channel. I have been busy. You guys should just pardon me. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of dark knuckles, which is very effective. If you have been watching my video for a while now, you notice that I really do have dark knuckles, but this is how my finger is looking right now. There's nothing on it, so this is the remedy I have been using, and it has really been good, and it's really effective. Alright guys, so if you really want to get rid of your dark knuckles so fast, this is the remedy for you. So the gel that I've been using is called Amos white gel. I have been using this gel for a while now, and it has really been good. Alright, if you cannot get this Amos white gel, you can actually get Fair and White gel or Fashion Fair gel. Both gels are very good for dark knuckles. So this is not the only thing that I've been using. I have been using other remedies, other DIY which make it work so fast for me. So if you really want to learn how to get rid of your dark knuckles so fast, simple remedy, no stress, nothing, here is a video for you. And before I go into this video, before I teach you guys how to make this, please, I want you to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be explaining. This video is very simple to understand, because I don't really like it sometimes when I post a video and most of you will still be coming under the comment section and be asking me all the things that I've said on that particular video. I have given you guys all the details, everything you need to know, how to do it and everything. I don't really like it when you come to ask other funny questions, which I have already said on that video. It's not funny guys. Please, you guys should always try to watch my video to the end. And if there is any question that you want to ask, I'm not saying that you shouldn't ask your question, but try your best, your possible best, to watch that video. If there's anything that you don't understand, you can always ask me and I'm going to answer your question. Alright guys, so without further ado, let me quickly show you guys how to make this this knuckle treatment. Alright guys, so this is all we'll be needing to make this knuckle cleanser. So we'll be making use of baking soda. Baking soda is very good. It helps in dead skin cell. Baking soda is going to help as well lighten the parts where you have knuckles. So we're going to be adding just half tablespoon of baking soda. You can increase this quantity if you wish to. So I'll just be making just a little bit of quantity that will last me for about 3 days, and then I'll be adding in lemon juice. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C and an antioxidant that may reduce skin damage and premature aging. It is also a lightening ingredient, which is also good for this cleanser. So I'll be adding in just 1 tablespoon of my lemon juice. So 1 tablespoon will be enough. If you want to increase if you don't want to make this every 2 days, or you just want to make a quantity that will last you for about a week, you can just increase this quantity. You can add in 2 tablespoons of your lemon juice, then 1 tablespoon of your baking soda. If you feel like it's thick, you can add in more lemon juice. So this is going to help a lot. It's going to help a lot reduce your knuckle. Even without the Amos white gel, you can still make use of this. It's very effective, and it's very good. You're going to love this after a week of usage. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to take my cotton wool. I'm going to dip in my cotton wool into my lemon juice and baking soda. So then I'm going to use it to clean my knuckle. So I'm going to use it to exfoliate it just gently. Then I'll leave it to dry. So I normally do this and leave it on for like 30 minutes before I wash my hand off. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to, once I finish applying this on my finger, I'm going to rinse it off, because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to allow it to dry, then I just rinse it off. Then hi guys, so now that I'm done applying this on my hand, so I'm just going to allow it to dry for a while. Then I just rinse my hand off, then I go with the second round. So That's it. Very, very simple, not stressful at all. So now that I'm done washing my hands. You guys can see it's already dry. I rinse my hand, then I just wipe it with oil. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be applying this again, but this time I'm not going to wash my hand. I'm just going to leave it to stay on my hand as long as I can. So you can leave this as long as you can. You can just apply this in the evening till in the morning, then you wash your hand off. So I'll be using cotton bud to apply this. The main reason why I don't want to use cotton wool is because I'll be leaving this on my knuckle, and I don't want it to stain the part where I don't have dark knuckles, so that it won't be too light. So I'm just going to be applying it in the part where I have dark knuckles. That's what I'm going to be doing, and you have to be very, very careful when applying this. Be very, very careful, and make sure you press in your cotton ball so it can stick in very, very well. So it doesn't take time to dry. It's just going to take a while, then it has dried off. The next thing we'll be using is the Amos white gel. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply the Amos white gel. So as I have said earlier on, guys, please always try, once you're done doing this, don't touch anything. Don't use your hand to eat or anything. Just make sure that you're done with everything that you're supposed to do, so that this can stay in your hand as long as you can. If you continue to repeat this every day, twice a day, you're going to see a very visible result, and you will definitely love this remedy. So it's not something that works so fast, but it's very, very good. After a week, you're going to see a very huge difference. As I have said earlier on, if you cannot get the Amos white gel, you can actually use the solution that I just made, which is the baking soda and lemon. So after applying this, I'm going to allow it to dry, so it doesn't take time. After a minute, you're gonna see that that's dried off. Then we go in with the Amos white. Okay, back to what I was saying. If you know that you want to do anything, always try your best not to apply this before you do whatever you want to do. You can leave this till the next day, and you can actually use fair and white gel without using this this solution. That's gel really work very, very well. You can just use the either fashion fair gel, not the tube, I mean the gel, so it works faster than the tube. So you can just apply that. So what I'm going to be doing now, I will be using another cotton ball to apply the Amos white gel. So I'm going to apply this gently, and I'm going to press it in. So immediately I finish applying this, then I will leave it to dry. It doesn't take time before it dry. So I'm going to apply this all over my knuckle, and then that's it. Very simple, very, very active. You don't need to overstress yourself. Just in case you cannot use a baking soda, you can just get turmeric powder. The main reason why I don't like to use turmeric powder is because it stains a lot. Turmeric stains a lot, so that is the main reason why I just want to use the baking soda, which is very, very good as well. But if you feel like you want to use turmeric powder, you can as well use it. Turmeric powder is very, very good for lightening the skin, and as well it treats dead skin cell. So just in case you keep on applying this and you feel like, or you start seeing your knuckle peeling, do not peel it. Just leave it the way it is. It's gonna go off by itself. Just leave it and keep on applying this. And at the end of the day, you're going to see a huge difference, and you would know that this is really, really working. So if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I will be uploading a new video. Alright guys, so what I'm trying to say is, in this another tip that I'll be giving you guys is, whenever you rub your lotion on you apply your lotion on your skin, always try to rinse your fingers, your hand especially, because sometimes the lotions that we use is more effective. And as you guys can see, the middle of your hand, which is in between, is kind of very, very tender, and it's very, very soft. So you wouldn't want to leave a strong whitening lotion on your hand, because at the end of the day you will start seeing that your knuckle is getting darker, while in between your hands, in between your fingers are getting very, very light. It's because of the lotion that you're using. I discovered this few months back, and I noticed that the lotion that I'm using, sometimes it tends to give dark knuckles. So whenever you apply your lotion, immediately go and wash your hands off, and then you can just rub your hand with any oils that you have, or hand cream. So those stuff will help moisturize your hand, and as well give you a very smooth and flawless fingers. So this is all I normally do, and I hope that you try this, and I also hope that it works for you. And please don't forget to comment down below if there is anything that you don't understand. Try to comment down below, and definitely I will reply your comment. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see more reviews from you guys under the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.